welcome back to Sensibly Frugal Living, and welcome back to another laundry chats. It's been a few weeks since I have uploaded a laundry chats video, so we're going to keep this one light-hearted, no ranting today, and we're going to talk about where to get free things. So one of my favourite things are books, and obviously you can get free books at the library. We'll talk about that more in a moment, but if you've got a Kindle or you have the Kindle app on one of your devices, your phone, your laptop, you can get free books from Amazon. The Kindle app itself is free. I get a lot of people saying, oh, I don't have a Kindle, when I've posted about free books in the past. You don't need a Kindle. I don't have a Kindle. I have the free Kindle app on my phone. It's linked to your Amazon, so the books you download for free will go straight onto your Kindle app. So to find free books to download onto your Kindle app, go onto Amazon and in the search bar, you type free books or free short stories or free romance books to be more specific, or free zombie horror books, whatever you're into. Type that in. It will bring up a list of free books. They also put the Kindle Unlimited books in there, which show as free, but if you don't have Kindle Unlimited, they are not free for you. You need to make sure that the purchase price for the ebook is free. So just have a scroll through, check it's free before you purchase the ebook, and yeah, there will be something for you. They have many free books. Especially the self-published authors can do Kindle deals where it's a cheaper price, or they can do free promotions, and yeah, you'll find something there. So circling back onto libraries, we all know you get books for free at the library, but you can also get DVDs, audiobooks on CD. You can use their computers for free for a certain time. They do kids clubs, well, ours do kids clubs for free. You can also read papers and magazines for free. Our library also do BorrowBox, like they recommend BorrowBox. It's the app. We use our library cards for it. You again can read ebooks, you can reserve ebooks. Even our school recommends BorrowBox for the kids. There's such an array of ebooks for kids, and if they have things like Kindle Fires, it's brilliant for them to download onto that, or just put the app on your phone, etc. Our library, like I said, does clubs. My son does a Lego club there. They also have a jewellery and craft club, which he sometimes goes to. This is all free. They put on Halloween parties, Easter parties, just so much things. They have they've done a Lego club, which is like a Lego event, which was really fun, and it's all free. And it's totally free to get your library card. So if you haven't got one, I would grab one. I've also seen some areas set up community bookshelves, which is like either in an old telephone box or like a wooden box put somewhere where people can borrow books and to put them back, or swap books for some they don't want anymore. We don't have any locally to us, and I don't have an area to like set up my own, but if you do, that's a great way of getting free books. So let's stop talking about books now. As you can tell, I'm obsessed with books. Another way to get freebies is to shoot off compliment emails to your favourite companies. Many companies prefer to get a compliment email than some kind of negative review, or a complaint. And if you kindly say that you regularly use the product, you love the product, or your kids love the product, a lot of them sometimes send vouchers so you can get a freebie, or they just send freebies. When my kids were small, I used to do this for a lot of the baby food brands, and they would literally send me boxes of pouches, crisps. I've done it for nappies, and I've got vouchers for free nappies. It's worth shooting off compliment emails. Even if you get nothing back, it just takes a few minutes of your time. If you're looking for freebies for your house, free clothes, anything like that, try local free cycle sites. I find on Facebook a lot of free in your area sort of sites. So you type in your area where you live and free, see if anything pops up. And people aren't allowed to sell things on those sites. They just post things they want to get rid of or want you to collect. Sometimes, like me, I put up posts for free items just on Facebook Marketplace. If I've got lots of stuff that I've tried to sell on Vinted and it hasn't been selling, I offer it to anyone for free, bags of stuff. I leave outside my door, they can come and collect it. So it is worth looking on Facebook and your local selling sites for freebies. When it comes to free food, look on apps such as Too Good To Go and Olio. I know Olio, people collect the food and sometimes this is the free food from supermarkets and offer it for free. You have to go and collect it. Other people may have a sort out from their pantry and there's loads of stuff in date, but they don't want it. It's free. It's worth keeping your eye out on those apps as well if you want free food. Of course, sometimes the dates are up, but it's up to you whether you go by the best befores. And normally canned items and stuff is absolutely fine. So yeah, check those apps out. This is a tip not to necessarily get a freebie, but to get free cash. So if you email tips or stories to magazines, you can Google what magazines, I know Take a Break and That's Life and all do this. You can just email a Frugal tip in with a picture and you can get a tenner. And they send it to you as a check. If you've got funny stories or sentimental stories, they don't have to be the shocking, you know, my mum ran away with my husband on my wedding night sort of stories. They can be anything sentimental, anything lovely, anything funny. And I'm sure it's That's Life and Take a Break. They do like a tip series. So if you've got those Frugal tips, just take a picture. If you've upcycled something, take a picture. And if they don't want it, that's fine. But you've taken just a couple of minutes to shoot off an email. You normally get a response if they're going to post it in their magazine. It does take a good few weeks and then a good few weeks again for you to get your money through. But like I said, it's free money just for sharing a few tips or a story via email. If you have a social media platform of any kind, YouTube, Instagram, TikTok, you can always approach brands yourself that you feel are in line with your social media content and see if they're willing to send you something for free to do a review on. And that's a great way of getting free things. And if you tailor the brand you ask for to your content, you know it's stuff that you're going to enjoy, you're going to use, and your followers are going to enjoy and use. That's some of my tips on how to get freebies. If you have any of your own tips, please drop them in the comments. Thanks.